Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today we are going to understand about operators in SQL. Operators are reserved word or keyword that is mainly used for doing different kind of operations. Comparisons, arithmetic. You can see that there are mainly four types of operators. Comparison, logical, negative operators and arithmetic operators. So we are going to create a table, then we will do all of this one by one with example. Okay, so first let me create this table. An employee table will be created. See, employees table is created. It has ID, name, age, department, salary, bonus, manager ID. Okay, let's insert some values. Insert it. Now we can see the table. Okay, now we will work with this table. Sorry, this one. Okay, now the first one is, let me show you. The first one is comparison operator. So we will see all of them: equal, non-equal, less than, greater than. Now, find employees whose salary is exactly 60,000. So, you have to find all the employees where salary is exactly 60,000. So, you have to write select star from employee where condition you have to provide, because you can see that there is a condition where salary. So, you can write exactly 60,000. So, you have to give equal to. Equal to is the operator for equality. The first one, comparison operator. Okay, let me show you the output. Select star from employees. The table name is employees. Okay, so Bob has 60,000 salary. Fine. Now find employees whose salary is not 60,000. So same, select star from employees. Condition is where salary is not 60,000. So not equal to 60,000. So we can say this is non-equality operator. Okay, select star from employees where salary not equal to 60,000. See, no one salary is 60,000. Okay, so select all the employees where salary is not equal to 60,000. Now find the employees who are older than 30. So select star from employees. Condition is age older than 30. That means greater than 30. So we will get all the employees who are greater than 30, 35, 40, 50. Okay. So find employees younger than 40. That means you have to select all the employees where age is less than 40. Okay. So this is less than operator. Sorry, I forgot to give where condition. Where age is less than 40. Okay, you can see everyone's age is less than 40. Clear? Now find employees who are at least 40-year-olds. That means 40 and greater than 40. So you have to use select star from employees where age greater than equal to 40. That means either 40 or greater than 40. Okay. Now select employees who are 30 years or younger. So I can write select star from employees where age less than equal to 30. So either they are 30 or they are less than 30. See, okay. So you have understood equals to, not equals to, greater than, less than, greater than, equal to, less than, equal to. These are all comparison operator. Okay, now we are going to understand the logical operator. See, find employees where bonus is null. See the table, we have to check where bonus is null. That means David. David will be our output. Okay, see how to write this. Select star from employees where bonus is null. Just you have to use this operator. See, David's bonus is null. Okay, so we have understood is null operator. Okay, clear. Now the question is find employees where bonus is not null. This is also same. Just let me copy this. Bonus is not null. Exactly same. You have to write is null or is not null. That means everyone will come other than David because they have some bonus. Okay, and David is not getting any bonus. Clear? Now between operator. Find employees whose age is between 30 and 40. So select star from employees where condition is age column between 30 and 40. Okay, let me show you. See, 35, 40, 30. Okay, Bob, Charlie, Eve, their ages, and you can see see Alice 28, Eve, Frank 50. Okay, so that's why they are excluded. Clear? So you can understand the between operator 30 and 40. Same, whose age is not between 30 and 40. Same here, you can just copy. You just have to write not. Okay, the keyword is between and here the keyword is not between. So that means all others 28, 25, 50, they are not between 30 and 40. Clear? Now find employees who work in the IT department or HR department. For that you have to use in and not in. Okay. See, select star from employees where department, the name of the column is department. Okay, where department in IT or HR. So inside the bracket you write IT, comma HR. Okay, so select all the employees where department in IT and HR. Clear? See, all of them works either in HR department or in IT department. Here you can give some more also. So it will check if it is in IT department, HR department or in any other given department, then only show the employees. Okay. Now find employees who do not work in IT and HR department. So same way, you just have to write not in. They work in finance department. Okay. So you understand in operator, not in operator. Now the next question. Find employees whose name starts with A. So you have to write select star from employees where name like a person. Person is a wildcard character, that means anything after A. Starts with A and anything after A. So here we are using like operator. Okay. So like operator will check whether any name starts with A or not. See, Alice is starting with A. So that's why they have written Alice. Okay. Find employees whose name does not start with A. So we can write the same, but here we will write not. Not like a person. See, their name is not starting with A. Okay, so we have understood is null, between, in operator, not in operator, like operator, not like operator. Now we have this operator exist, all, some, any. For these operators, operators exist and all, some, any. You have to understand subquery. So as I have not explained subquery yet, I am not going to explain them. I will explain it later. Okay, while explaining subquery. Okay, now let's understand add or not operators. Find employees older than 30 and earning more than 50,000. See, here you are giving two conditions. One is employees older than 30, employees earning more than 50,000. If I give a single one, employees older than 30, then I can write select star from employees. You can try to tell where age greater than 30. This is for first condition. For second condition, earning more than 50,000. So for second one, select star from employees where salary greater than 50,000. Right? But they are single query. So you have to check both. They are greater than 30 and they are earning more than 50,000. So for this, you can simply delete this portion and you can write and salary greater than 50,000. Okay, so after where you are providing both the conditions together. See, age 35, salary greater than 50,000. Age 35, age 40, salary greater than 50,000. Age 50, okay, so you can see both of the conditions are satisfying. And operator is only applicable when the both conditions are satisfied. Okay, or operator is when any of the conditions satisfied. If I write find employees who are greater than 30, so I can write where age greater than 30 or salary greater than 50,000. If any of the condition satisfies, then only show us the result. See, here age is greater than 35, salary 60,000. Both the condition is satisfied. Age greater than 40, salary greater than 50,000. Here see, age is not greater than 30, right? But the salary is greater than 50,000. So David is also in the output. Okay. So you understand how it is working. Now the next one is find employees who are not in the HR department. So you have to write select star from employees where you just have to use the not keyword, not department equal to HR. Okay. So I am saying the department is not HR. IT finance, IT finance. Okay, clear. So you are using not operator. Okay, so you have understood and or not operator. Okay. Now negative operators. I have already told some of them. When salary is not equal to 60,000, right? Next one is not between. See, where age is not between 30 and 40. Next one is not in. See, a department not in IT or HR. Okay. Next one is not like, it's not starting with A. So not like A%. Okay. And next is not null. Not null means show me the value where the data is not null. See, we have a null value here, manager ID. Okay. So let's write is not null. Select star from employees where manager ID is not null. Hmm. Sorry, manager ID, manager underscore ID is not null. See, manager ID, the first one, it was here. Alice had no manager ID, so here Alice is removed. Okay, this is not null. Now the next one is not exist. Now that also you have to know subquery. So while we will do the subquery, I will explain not exist. Now the last one is arithmetic operator: addition, multiplication, subtraction, and division. Okay. Find the total compensation. Salary plus bonus. Salary plus bonus. Okay. How to do this one? So select salary plus bonus from employees. Let me show you the output. See, it is added, but it is not looking good. We are not understanding whose salary is this. So we can write name comma salary plus bonus, and here we can rename this, by using as keyword. So we can write as total compensation. Okay, so we just want to see the total compensation. Okay, see, clear. So this way we can add. If you want to add directly any number like salary plus, I want to add 1000. Okay, so let me close this. Select salary plus 1000. So with every salary 1000 will be added. Okay, so we can do addition. Next, find the net salary after subtracting the bonus. So I can write select salary minus bonus, give a name net salary from employees table. Now let me show you. Okay, salary and you write name also. See, salary was 40,000, bonus was 5,000. So 40,000 minus 5,000, 35,000. Okay, clear. So this way also, or you can write salary minus 500. Any number also you can directly provide. Now find the increased salary after a 10% raise. So I can write select salary after a 10% raise mean you have to multiply with 1.1. Okay, because 110% right now your salary is. Select salary from employees table. Give some name first, and you can give 10% rise. Okay, now write salary rise. Okay, so what happened? See, now see the salary 40,000. So if you raise a 10%, so it will be 44,000. See, it is 44,000. Okay, next one 60,000, 10% raise 66,000. Okay, clear. And the last one is dividing. So we can write, we have to calculate monthly salary by dividing annual salary by 12. So we can write select salary divided by 12 as monthly salary from table name. Okay, here also write name, comma. Now if I execute this, what happened? Monthly salary. See, it is executed. So everyone's salary is divided by 12. Clear? So we have understood this also. Addition, multiplication, subtraction, division. Okay. Okay, so it is very clear to you what is operators and how these are helpful in SQL. Thank you. Bye. Happy learning.